Hello wonderful people, today is my pie day and I'm choosing meat pie. Let me show you how to make a delicious meat pie filling and a perfect crust. For the filling, you have ground beef, Irish potatoes, carrots, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, spring onions, mixed spices, bouillon cubes, garlic, onions and corn flour. And for the crust, we have the flour, the butter, the salt, egg and cold water. In a bowl, put in your flour, add a pinch of salt, mix together, and in goes your cold butter to make a crust. Then add your cold water into your flour to form a dough. Don't overwork the dough. Once it's together like this, just pack it into a cling film or a Ziploc and allow it to cool for just enough time to make the meat pie filling. Cut and dice your Irish potato, set it aside, and also cut and dice all your veggies. Slice your onions, heat up your pan and add a bit of vegetable oil. In goes your sliced onion, garlic, ground beef. Mix, then add spices, bouillon cubes. Let the onions fry very well with the beef. Then add your water. Cover and allow the beef to cook till very soft. Then the flavor from the onion and garlic is so lovely. Now it is time to add your potatoes and all the veggies. Mix it together and let it cook. Add a bit of corn flour. Now your meat pie filling is ready. Pour it into a bowl to cool while you start rolling your dough. I am using a meat pie cutter to make my meat pie shape, but you can also use a round cutter to make your meat pie shape. Then press with a fork. Now that the filling is cold, brush the edges of your dough with egg wash. Start filling in the meat pie and press it to seal your meat pie. Keep going till your last dough. Then you brush all your meat pie with egg wash for that golden color on your crust. The aroma here is so good and the meat pie is ready. Congratulations, you have yourself one of the best meat pie. This is so good. Lovely filling, crunchy crust. When you want that eatery meat pie recipe or just what you want for your family and friends to enjoy a good meat pie day, this recipe is unique. Please recreate and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Let's see my next video. Thank you.